everyone, welcome back to Shrutas Universe. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I painted a red rose on silk fabric. Since this is a black background, I'm starting with the darker color first, unlike what you do in watercolors. This is a really simple painting and the first stage is just creating the shape of the flower using only one color. In this case, I've painted the upper part of the flower with the dark red and then took some of the lighter red and started creating some shapes. Now I'll be using both of the reds for painting the rest of the flower, not worrying about any of the small details yet, just filling in the bigger shapes. Now using the same brush, adding some details on the upper part of the flower using the lighter color. These are the colors that I'm using now. They are from Camel Fabric Acrylic 20 color set. I love working with this set, but only if I'm doing some small work. Because of their size, they are not suitable for the big pieces of work I do on fabrics, but they feel really nice to work with. They also come with big jars of paints, which I really wanna get my hands on. As you can see, I've painted the small details on the middle part of the flower with the same brush that I've been working on earlier. This round brush has a pointed tip, so I can control how thick the brush strokes are gonna be by applying more or less pressure. This way I'm able to do most of the work with just one brush. Later there will be some details for which I will be using a smaller brush, but I like to use a single brush for the most part. Please enjoy the rest of the video. Let me know in the comment sections if this video was helpful for you. Thank you very much for watching. Stay connected to Shrutas Universe and don't forget to subscribe.